with the fully straight pipe, but it still got some. Yo, y'all know the vibes. It is Smooth Live time. We are back with another video, so you guys are back with a banger today, y'all. Yeah, today is the day, boy. The boy is finally getting his headers installed on his car. No more straight pipe, no more primary cat delete to AWE catback. No more of that straight pipe now, since we're gonna have a full exhaust, plus putting our valve exhaust back on so we can have the quiet to loud mode back on the ZL1, you guys, man. I cannot wait. But I'm kind of sad because today's gonna be the last day of our fully straight piped, like, ignorant noise car. So it's still gonna be loud with the headers because I'm not gonna have any cats. I'm gonna have a muffler on it type thing. Well, when it's open, it's gonna be straight pipe. When it's closed, it's gonna have a muffler on it. So I can't wait to go back to having that function. But yeah, you know, we start our videos off, man, with a cold start, and this is gonna be our last straight pipe cold start. So I'm gonna put the camera back there so I can get the full endeavors of how loud and how the car, well, video never shows how loud it is, but let's get it. Let's get it. Not gonna lie, that cold start was lovely, but let's go ahead and pack up. So this is the headers with the gasket, my wiring boot, heater, whatever, heat resistant so they don't burn up, get misfires. Got our plugs and wires in here. Our X pipe and our connection pipes and all that stuff is in here. And we're gonna have to load up the stock valve muffler. It's not going in here. We have the Camry too. We have both trunks. So I think I'm gonna put this one in here. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but got the headers box in here. The X pipe in the Camry's trunk. It's the bigger box with more stuff in it, and the stock muffler in the back of the camel lamp. So let's go ahead over there to my boy's house so he can install these headers for you, boys. So I see you guys there. I guess I gotta buy a new alternator too, because that battery charging system came back. Yeah, so man. But my wife's car brought all the stuff. I brought the headers, the make pipe, and the stock axle back. Golly, I ain't even see this over here when I was packing in. Golly,
It's pulling apart right now.
Yeah, boy.
Motors in, fix some wiring.
They can tell some monster about what's going on. Ooh, the turbo. I see the turbo there.
There's one and two.
Yeah, the other one. Twin turbo jump, man. Let me pull all this stuff out of the car though. I ordered new spark plugs, but I guess they told me they were it's like 3 days from them telling me that they were, what's the name, not in stock for some reason. But I guess the OEMs will work fine. But I got everything in the box. I got the headers. I got new header bolts.
You got exhaust manifold?
Yeah, I got. I'm in gaskets. You know, I said manifolds, my dumb ass. Because they came with some graphite ones, and I didn't want to use them, so I just reordered some OEM ones from GM. Got these, so. These, I get these. I'll get no misfires, I guess. Yeah. I got all the fucking, you can see me all bunch of wires should be in here. Headers 1 7/8, no 2-inch ones.
We got the exhaust manifold bolts, that's a good thing.
Yep. I did some research, made sure so I don't got to rebuy anything other than probably doing 2-inch headers if I want to go crazy on the horsepower in the future, but it is what it is. Twin turbo jank. Scary to see that thing on the road, man. See, they got one. Oh, where's the other turbo at? Oh, I see it.
We got the one, right there behind the ladder. You got the other one on it.
Lord, man.
New motor, upgrade the turbos, got bigger ones.
Oh, Lord.
So, yeah.
Hey, man, we make some money. We'll probably end up doing this in the future, but y'all gotta subscribe to the channel, hit that like button. Big money, man. You can't hide it. Golly. So, fuck around and find. Is that gonna be the exhaust thing, around the outlet,
exhaust
I guess?
guards, yep.
Yeah, oh man. You guys insane. I think I met you, man. You're a bad influence, though. Yeah, man. Well, shit, we gonna let my boy Steven do his thing. This is I actually got from the video from when I took my car to the dealership. One of the managers there. Top level guy, man. Shoot. shoot. But let him do his work, do his job. He enjoy it. I'm about to, well, not his job, his passion. About to head off and go enjoy some time with the family. Why is my sister recording me? But yeah, I see you guys when I come back to pick up my car. We can get the sound difference. Probably won't see no performance difference. I wonder if it's gonna sound like. I wonder if it's gonna sound more crisper or like high pitch or probably more refined because I'm putting that the stock muffler back on though. Not gonna sound as ghetto, and I guess it's this setup I got on now. All right, you guys. So it is the next day, and we are back to the car, and we're basically like 80% done, almost 90% done. He's already got the headers in. You can see wires plugged, boots and all that. Both sides. You dig? So all we got left is to get the really from headers back, the exhaust in, then put the stock muffler back on, which is a 2-person job. So we're gonna get that handled, and we're gonna be hearing our first startup with headers on Shigo. So see if it sounds any different, if it's louder, raspier, quieter. Should be quieter with the stock valves back on, but we'll see. For all my viewers who watch my video, if you got a Camaro SS or a ZL1 and want a catback exhaust that's actually makes your car sound pretty aggressive without voiding your warranty, this is the perfect one. So hit me my DMs, comments. My Instagram, you can follow me, is smooth.tie with 3 O's and the word smooth. So hey, you want an AWE Extreme, was AWE track catback, black tips, holla at your boy. I get it to you for the low. I'm ready. Okay. Okay, so I had to, maybe I have issues. Why did I ever straight paint my car in the first place? Because that shit sounds good. Not gonna lie. Okay, you guys, so we have fast forwarded into the future a couple days to get our really official cold start with the ZL1 with the headers on there. No more AW catback with a cat delete and that straight pipe nonsense. Headers, X pipe, and the stock muffler. So it is a little bit quieter. I noticed from driving it, but let's go ahead and get our first actual reaction to the cold start. Not gonna be as loud as before, but still got some talent to it. I actually like it. It's not that bad, but it is loud under like full throttle, so super loud. Under full throttle, not just idling or just chilling or simple. It's not too crazy. Kind of feel like I'm adulting now, changing my exhaust setup. So. More power though, less ignorance. I'm tripping. We're getting out. See you guys in the video, man. Y'all know the vibes. Smooth Life Tie is out.